In today's lesson, I'm going to show you how you can create your own professional looking HUD 1s using our own HUD 1 generator. If you have already seen this video, please hold on, because at the end of the video I'm going to show you exactly how to access the HUD 1 generator so you will be able to create this HUDs all on your own. Okay, so this is the first page of the HUD 1 generator. On this page you can either create a new HUD by entering in the name of the HUD right there, or you can open an existing HUD by selecting it and click select this HUD. So let's go ahead and do that. You can see this HUD is named Test HUD, and on this page, it's a step 1 of 7. We've got the type of the loan, the name and the address of the borrower, and then we click save and go to the next step. Step 2, name and address of seller, property location. Again, save and go to the next step. On this page we have settlement information, and settlement date, so save and go to the next step. Step 4 is a summary of the borrower's and the seller's transactions. You can see that we selected certain lines here, and I'll get to that when we get to the advanced section, which is step 7 of 7, but again, save and go to the next step. Then we have some settlement charges, and these are items that are payable in connection with the loan. So I'll scroll down so you can see all of these. And you can see up at the very top it calculates everything for you, so you don't have to do any math. It's a very intuitive program. So we save and go to the next step. And step 6 of 7 is additional settlement charges, and these are government recording and transfer charges. So again, save and go to the next step. And then on this page we get to the estimated HUD 1 step 7 of 7. This is the advanced section and allows you to view your HUD and download your HUD. So on this section you can go back and edit line by line any information. So let's say, for example, that in section K, or let's go to L. In section L, total sales and commissions, you wanted to enter more information. Let's just go to that for an example. And you can go line by line in section 700 and enter information right there. So you save and return. It's going to take you back to the advanced section. So let's take a few moments and look at the HUD 1 that was created from this. Okay, so here's the HUD 1 that we created, and you can see it filled in all of the information for us. It did all of the math. It's a very intuitive program, so you don't have to do any work. It just does it all for you. All the math is entered, all the information is entered in the correct place. This is page 1 of the HUD. So let's scroll down and get to the next page of the HUD. You can see again it fills in all of the information for you. It does all of the math for you, so you don't have to worry about it. And it's a very simple system to use, and it creates a very professional and perfect HUD essentially, so you don't have to worry about the next HUD you have to create. You can just use this simple software program which is on our site, and you can create your own HUD 1s anytime you like. And what's really neat about the service is, again, that you can save your HUD, so you can pull it up at any time in the future. Let's say you're negotiating a short sale and they come back with a counter offer, a new counter back, and you need to create a new HUD 1 to represent that. So instead of going to your attorney and having to create another HUD 1, you can simply log back into the software, pull up the HUD 1 you've already created, edit the lines that need editing, and boom, just print your new HUD right there. It's as simple as that. Okay, to access the HUD 1 generator, what you're going to need to do is visit this site and register on this site. I know you've already registered for our site at reinvestingsuccess.com, but you're going to need to register for this site, which is also a social networking site. It includes forums, blogs, there's videos, there's tons of additional educational material there. But this is how you need to, where you need to go so you can register to create your own HUDs and save your HUDs. And the website is www.reinvestinglink.com. Again, that's www.reinvestinglink.com. I'm going to leave it up on the screen for a second, and then I'll show you what the page looks like. Okay, so this is the real estate investing link. As you can see, it's very easy to register. Just want to come down here to the bottom and enter your first name and enter your primary email and click the arrow right there. You'll then be sent a confirmation email, and you just want to be sure to check that confirmation email. After you do that, you will be taken to a page where you will be asked to enter some more information about yourself. Just go ahead and do that, and then I'm going to log in here really quickly so you can see how to get to the HUD generator. You can see right here, HUD1 generator. Just click that, and that's going to bring you to the HUD generator. It's that easy to do, so go ahead, try it out, and start creating your own HUD1.